build free mobile apps on your phone. Okay, so as you can see, I've been able to build this scientific calculator using only my phone without writing a single code. Okay, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create better apps, even better than this one. Okay, so let's get right into it. All that you have to do is simply locate the Chrome, okay, app on your phone and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, simply come here to the Google search and then come and search for this. That is Google AI Studio, okay? And then come and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, it is going to open just like this. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio and then tap on it. So it is going to open, okay? And then over here, come here to where we have the three bars, okay? And then come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, the options will be open just like this, okay? And come here to where you have the build and then come and then tap on it. So when you tap on it over here, you will not be able to use it, okay? The build with Gemini will not even work. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply locate the top right hand corner where we have the three dots and then come and then tap on it. So it is going to open these options, okay, and come here to where we have the desktop site and come and then check this box. So when you check it, that is it. It will be able to open on your phone, okay, just like this. Now, when you come here to your apps and then you tap on it, it will show that you don't have any apps created yet. So let me show you how you can create the app with your phone. So over here where it says build app with Gemini, you see that there is a chat box here. Come and write whatever thing that you want to create, like create a scientific calculator just like this. And then when you look at where we have the right hand side, okay, you see that we have this rand prompt. Come and tap on it. So what you have to do now is to simply relax and then wait for Google AI Studio build to build your app for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is building the app. Okay, just relax, and it has now finished. You can come and then tap on this full screen mode, and then you see that your app is now in full screen mode. After testing it, simply come back here and then come and tap on this icon, and then it will bring you right here, and then come and then tap on this icon. Okay, that is the Google AI Studio icon. Just tap on it and come here to the three dots again. Come and tap on it, and now come and then uncheck the box. That is the desktop side box. Come and then tap on it to uncheck it. It will bring you back to the phone screen, and then come here to where we have the three bars again, and then come and then tap on it. Okay, and come here to the build and come and tap on the build, and then over here you will see that now you can simply see all the apps. Then when you tap on your apps, you see that the app that we just built is here. You can simply come and then tap on it to select it. Okay, so as you can see, now you have your app showing, and all that you have to do is simply come and then preview it in a full screen by tapping on this, and you have your app built for you in a full screen. Okay, so like the video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.